Hello, I'm in a 2018 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you to use a front and rear defrost. So with the vehicle turned on, we're going to go down and look for these symbols. This is your front defrost and then your rear defrost. So to turn on the front, you'll just click this, and with this lit up, you know now that the front defrost is activated, which just means there's air now blowing out of these vents along the front windshield. And then we can, it's now controlled by your fan speed, so you can adjust this fan higher or lower depending on how you want it to blow, and you can make it cold or hot. And even if you have it really hot, you still may want the AC activated, because this AC can work to pull moisture out of the air, which will keep this glass from fogging up. And then when you're all done with the front, and while this front's on, you can also activate other areas you want it to blow out. But when you're done with it, you can either turn the fan all the way off, or just click this again so that light turns off. And then if this rear one is activated, this will be lit up as well. And if you can see in the video, there's some black lines that run through this rear windshield. Those are a heating mechanism. So while this is activated, those are turned on and not working to melt any ice that might be building up. And for that rear one, when you're done with it, just click this again, and this now indicates it's turned off. If these aren't working for some reason, first I'd check fuses. Maybe burnt fuse could make something in this system inoperable. But otherwise, I hope all this information is helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.